Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat mga ka-JP at welcome back po muli sa ating munting channel. Ayan, for today's video, pag-uusapan po natin, ito pong si Mary Grace Piatos na tinalakay na po kanina dyan po sa impeachment trial at ito po ay hindi nasuportahan ng mga dokumento. Or ito pong si Mary Grace Piatos ay hindi nag-e-exist or hindi totoo. So, panoorin po natin ito at komentuhan. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag niyo po sanang kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. Panoorin po natin munang ng buo, tapos saka po natin ako komentuhan para hindi po putol-putol at maintindihan po natin lahat. Salamat po.
Now, I will show you select few of these acknowledgement receipts. And for better appreciation of the Honorable Impeachment Court, we will be flashing some select few. Exhibit P-1-8-184. Showing to you, Mr. Witness, this exhibit. It is an acknowledgement receipt in the name of Mary Grace Piatos for the amount of 70,000 pesos. Please peruse this document and tell us if this is among the acknowledgement receipts that you said you received and evaluated based on the submissions of the Office of the Vice President.
This AR po is among the acknowledgement receipts submitted by the OBP to ICFAO.
Before we go to this particular exhibit, in the name of Mary Grace Piatos for 70,000 pesos. Tell us, Mr. Witness, ano ba talagang ibig sabihin ng acknowledgement receipt?
Well, kapag sinabing acknowledgement, actually wala siyang provision dun sa joint circular, pero ito kasi ay parang proof of na-receive noong payee yung binayad sa kanya.
So, acknowledgement receipt, as the name suggests, acknowledges na na-receive.
Na-receive niya yung payment from the payor po.
So, ina-acknowledge ng isang Mary Grace Piatos na tumanggap siya ng magkano?
Based from this acknowledgement receipt po, tumanggap po si Mary Grace Piatos ng 70,000 pesos for the payment of rewards, close and open parenthesis, medicines.
Ano, bakit dalawa to? Payment of rewards tsaka medicines. Anong ibig sabihin? Ang binayad sa kanya na reward ay gamot?
Hindi ko po ma-determine based on this document alone po, kaya po kami nagpapasubmit ng additional documents. And also, since it is payment of rewards po, hindi rin po enough lang na acknowledgement receipts. Kailangan din pong makomply yung provision noong joint circular as to the payment of rewards.
Okay. So, itong Mary Grace Piatos acknowledgement receipt ay sinasabi mo na violation ito ng joint circular. Bakit?
Dahil hindi po ito properly supported by document evidencing success po, which is required under 4.8.5 of the joint circular 2015-01.
Okay. Incidentally, Mr. Witness, pag merong pangalang Mary Grace Piatos, kayo ba ay nag-i-investigate o kasama ba ng post-audit nyo ang mag-ascertain sino ba itong Mary Grace Piatos?
Since what we do po is compliance audit, so ang naging basehan lang po namin ng audit ay kung ano yung nakalagay or piniprescribe ng Joint Circular 2015-01. Pero dun sa Joint Circular naman po kasi, hindi naman nakalagay doon na kailangan tignan namin yung recipient ng payment.
Okay. I will show you another document. Mark for the prosecution, Attorney Peña, P-1-8-619. Another Piatos, name Rene Piatos.
Dami palang Piatos, ha?
Pakibasa. The amount is 100...
Counsel is Renan Piatos.
Renan Piatos. Renan Piatos. Ang amount 110,000 pesos. At ang date ay 12/27/2023. Being flashed on the screen for better appreciation of the Honorable Impeachment Court. What observation can you make or have you made as regards this acknowledgement receipt?
Based on this acknowledgement receipt po, binayad po siya noong December 27, 2023, which is 1 year po after nung supposedly coverage nung kanilang cash advance for confidential fund.
Kailan ba binigay ulit itong cash advance?
December 27, 2023 po, based on this document.
Pero what actually is the correct date, if you know?
I cannot determine po the correct date based on this document, pero dapat po kasi ipasok siya doon sa coverage nung kanilang cash advance based on the document submitted to ICPAO.
So hindi ito pasok?
Yes, ma'am. Based on this document, yung period of payment, yung date of payment po ay hindi pasok doon sa coverage nung kanilang cash advance.
Anong tawag doon? Yung hindi pasok? Discrepancy?
Hindi po siya discrepancy. Hindi lang talaga siya pasok. Parang the payment was made outside the coverage noong
With the
cash
permission
advance.
of counsel, December 21 to December 31, 2022, yung covered period ng disbursement
Yes.
ng confidential fund, Mr. Romel, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So when you say hindi pasok dun sa period na yon, ng
Yes
December
po, Your
21 to 31, 2022.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Dahil 2023 nakalagay na taon, supposedly. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay.
You may proceed, counsel.
12 months na hindi pasok. 2023. Exhibit P-1-8-4113 413 in the name of Nova Santos for the amount of 85,000 pesos. Anong observation mo dito sa acknowledgement receipt na ito, if any?
Since it is payment of rewards po, and closing up in parentheses, various goods, dapat ay supported po ito ng document of success as prescribed under item 4.8.5 of the Joint Circular 2015-01.
Ano ba?
So yan, out of name, siguro ganun, okay. Ito po pala is dalawa, yung Mary Grace at saka Rene Piatos. Ayan, payment na natanggap ng mga Piatos mula sa confidential funds, hindi na suportahan ng dokumento. So, ibig sabihin, unexisting. Hindi po nag-e-exist ito pong dalawang Piatos na ito. Yari ka rito, Sara. So, tama po talaga yung ating hinala or duda na wala talaga po nga nag-e-exist na mga ganyang pangalan. So, sa pangalan pa lang po kasi kaduda-duda na po, no? Tapos ito po, nasuportahan pa nito pong isang witness na hindi nga po nasuportahan ng mga dokumento. Ito po nga, payment na natanggap ng mga Piatos. So, ano po yung masasabi nyo rito, guys? Pakilagay na lang po sa baba ang inyong mga komento at babasahin at isa-isa po nating sasagutin. Okay? Thank you, Mary Grace Piatos and Rene Piatos. Yan, joke lang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.